If you are also a CA Intermediate May 2024 student and you are also struggling to figure out how to make the best use of the next few days, how to organize your studies in the next few days, almost the 40 days, and by the time you watch the video that might be less than a 40 day also, right? How to plan all this thing. So this video is for all of you. So please do watch the video till the end, because in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can make the best use of the next few days, and that is going to be the realistic use. Hello everyone, welcome to KSJ Teaching. I'm your friend, your mentor, CA Saurav Jindal, taking you through this journey that how you can plan your best days, right? Yes, obviously these are going to be the best days of your life where you will put in the best of your effort. सबसे बढ़िया दिन होने वाले हैं ये आपकी जिंदगी के, जहां पे आपको करनी है सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत. Right? So we are going to discuss that how you can plan your daily task, and if you are going to follow this strategy, then I'm pretty sure that you people can achieve something extraordinary, right? That's what you need to do. First, you need to dream. You need to believe in yourself. The achievement will be after you automatically, right? Okay, so what is our objective for this? The objective is the maximum efficiency in the minimum available time. In a limited time period, yes, we have the limited time period for the May 2024 exams which are left with us. But in that time, if we are able to achieve the maximum efficiency, then definitely we can achieve something extraordinary. And nothing in the world right now is important than the dream that you are already living, the dream of becoming a chartered accountant, and nothing in the world right now is important than that. So leave everything, forget about everything, forget about family, forget about IPL, forget about each and everything in the world. Right now, the thing that matters the most is the dream that you have been looking for since the last few months, right? And forget about the postponement or all. Now, what you need to do, how you need to strategize the things. Divide your whole day in 4 slots, right? Of minimum 3 hours each. Divide it. How you are going to divide it? I'll show you with the example. First slot, for example, if you can wake up in the morning, if you are an early bird and you wake up early in the morning, let's say you wake up at around 6 o'clock in the morning, and you, after getting fresh and doing some exercise and whatever is your routine, you start your day, you start your studies at 7:30 in the morning. So 7:30 to 10:30 will be your slot number 1. 11:30, then you can take a 1 hour break, right? Have breakfast, but the light breakfast, not a very heavy breakfast, because after the heavy meals, you are definitely going to sleep. पक्का से सोने वाले हो तुम लोग, ठीक है ना? Then 11:30 to 2:30, slot number 2. Then you can take 1.5 hour break, have lunch, take a break. 4 to 7, slot number 3. 8 to 11, slot number 4. Total effective time is 12 hours per day. But the word I have used here is it should be the effective time, which you are actually utilizing and which you are not wasting in the unproductive activities. So divide your day in 3 hours, 4 slots, right? This is how you should be doing it. Now, for every slot, define which subject you are going to take up and what is the topic that you are going to take up, right? It should be very specific. It should not be vague. Okay, I will see what I need to do. No, then you will just keep seeing. आप देखते रह जाओगे, नहीं करोगे, right? You have to write down right now itself. You have to write down that in this particular slot, let's say if we talk about 7:30 to 10:30, slot number 1. In the morning, the mind is absolutely fresh. I will take up the theory subject. I will take up law, right? And in law itself, which sections you will be taking up, right? You have to define that. You have to absolutely be specific what you are trying to do, what you will be doing in that particular time, right? Please be specific. That is the most important time. Okay, so the next thing is the slots you have divided, be specific. Time in between the slots. Now, what should be done for the time that is in between the slots? For example, 10:30 to 11:30, 2:30 to 4 o'clock. You should utilize this time for having your meals, for doing meditation, for taking some rest, right? But do not spend unnecessary time on social media, because once you will start with the social media scrolling, then that might go endless and your time wastage is for sure. After that, your mind will be tired, your eyes will be tired, and you will be like, let's take extra 10 minutes break. 4 बजे आपके पढ़ने का टाइम है और 4 बजे आपने मोबाइल छोड़ा, इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल करना छोड़ा, उसके बाद आंखें थकी हुई, दिमाग थका हुआ, और आप कहोगे यार 10-15 मिनट का ना और ब्रेक ले लेता हूं, और वो 10-15 मिनट कब 1 घंटा 2 घंटे बन जाएंगे पता भी नहीं चलेगा. दैट इज फॉर श्योर, दैट इज ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड. ठीक है ना, अब करके देख लो, आप आजमा के देख लो एक दिन. So your time in between slots, that is equally important. What you do in that particular time, that really matters a lot, right? The next thing, you need to keep a check on your health. That is one of the most important things for the next 40 days. You need to keep a check on your health. How's your health doing? This is really important. Your health is going to play a vital role in your preparation, because if you are not healthy, your body is not healthy, your mind will not be healthy, you will not be able to retain the things that you are studying, you will not be able to concentrate, and then the plans make no sense, right? A healthy body can help a healthy mind learn and register for long. So you need to keep a check on your health. Eat light, drink more water, do some light exercise. You can do some meditation for not long, maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes at the maximum. Right? So please indulge in good things that keep your mind light, keep you active, because obviously during this period the stress is going to be there, and one of the best things to beat stress is meditate. Meditate for 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes, meditate for 5 to 10 minutes. That is going to beat the stress. Right? That is definitely going to be helpful. Please, these are the real, the strategies that you can apply. This is going to really help you a lot. Believe me, right? Believe me, this is really going to help you a lot. And definitely you can achieve something extraordinary if you keep it realistic. So this is how you are going to prepare your timetable. Date, what is the time slot, which subject you are going to take up, the topic that you are going to take up, and the remarks at the end of that time period. Before getting up for the break, you need to give the remarks that whether you have achieved your target goal or not. That is really important. And at the end of the day, identify if there are any wasteful activities that you have done in the day, and do not repeat those activities. Okay, repeat, it's repeat, the spelling mistake is there. Repeat those activities again. And very important, when you are setting the goals, that which subject, which topic that you are going to do, these should be very realistic goals. Please do not set a goal that today we are going to complete in that 3 hours, we are going to complete a complete subject, we are going to do a complete subject. That is not a realistic goal. Take up a subject, take up a topic, we are going to revise, and we are going to be specific as much as possible. We are going to revise this topic, we are going to practice the ICAI module questions, we are going to practice this many MCQs, this book we are going to follow, and all that things. Be specific as much as possible, right? So I hope this video will definitely be helpful for you, and if it is helpful, please hit the like button and do share with all your friends. I know our videos are not, on the Telegram also. Those Telegram owners, the so-called owners, they are not going to circulate this video, right? But still, you people can share as much as possible, because that's been the trend that I have seen, and I call Telegram the biggest fraud. I'm very much clear about this thing. Okay, so this is the plan from my side, that a realistic plan that you people can definitely achieve, and you can achieve if you try to follow it. If you by heart follow this, then definitely you are ready for your examinations in a much better state. You still have sufficient time to push your preparations and take your preparations to the next level. But yes, without strategy, without the right strategy, it will be difficult to push the preparations beyond a certain limit. That is why I have come up with this realistic strategy, and this is something that you can definitely apply. And if you can find out the time and go beyond 12 hours during this time, that is going to do wonders to your preparation. That is for sure, right? So keep your studies at the top right now. Forget about everything. Your studies, your dreams matter to you the most at this particular point of time. right? So see you guys. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much and all the best for your preparations.